Facility management in the Middle East is a highly competitive market. It focuses on quality and service excellence and is undergoing a real technological revolution. Facility management leaders are therefore actively looking for new methods to asset manage a greater number of facilities while staying on top of the sector's transformation. Using technology like mobile devices and the cloud is therefore the way forward to stand out from competitors and reach the level of excellence the clients are expecting. Facility managers are in charge of buildings and also of the welfare of the people who work or live inside it. Handheld mobile technology is helping them to improve productivity and compliance, and remote devices increase the data available on assets they manage to help them reach the level of welfare now required. The Penbase team will be attending Expo in Dubai from 23rd to 25th September. We will be happy to welcome you on booth 5E250 in Hall 5 to talk about the most fitted technological solutions for you. Thank you.